Oppo Reno 15 series was launched in China. Oppo Reno 15 Pro price is set at 3,699 Chinese yuan. It has a new bowtie pattern on the rear side now, with a Reno text on the camera housing. The Oppo Reno 15 will come in Starlight Bow, Aurora Blue, and Chenille Brown. Devices feature a metal middle frame and an IP68/69 rated body. The handset is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 8450 SoC, paired with 16 GB of RAM. It will run Android 16 with ColorOS 16 from the day it launches. On the photography front, the Reno 15 lineup is said to feature a major camera upgrade, and it will be equipped with a flagship-grade camera sensor. The Reno 15 series will feature a 200-megapixel primary camera using a large sensor, include a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, and larger batteries with wireless charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.